cheesecake that swings multiple ways. Chocolate.
All right, we're finally back. Why? Because YouTube removed dislikes. Now I can upload basically any recipe and no one will know whether it's good or bad. Sardines blended with oat milk, kale, and protein powder, it's guaranteed to get a few likes. In all seriousness, I'm actually back to solely promote my new NFT and crypto coin venture. No, I'm kidding. I'm back because I've missed you all. And it's time for a new season of recipes. To start this season, we're going to make some delicious protein pancakes in the oven on a baking sheet. Did I mention there's enough for the whole family and each serving only has around 4 grams of net carbs? I'm hungry, so let's get right to it. Start this one with 2 bowls. One bowl big enough to fit all of your ingredients and another bowl big enough to whip 2 large egg whites in. In your first bowl, add 4 large whole eggs, half a cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup coconut flour, 6 ounces of cream cheese, we're using reduced fat today, 1 container of your choice flavor Greek yogurt, 2 scoops of your choice flavor protein powder, 1/4 cup of sweetener, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of optional ground cinnamon, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Keep in mind that if you don't want to make or need this portion size, you can easily chop the recipe in half or scale it on the website. Go ahead and mix all of those ingredients together until smooth. In your other bowl, add 2 large egg whites and whip them with a mixer till they look like this. Add those whipped egg whites into your other mix and gently mix everything together. Now take out a baking sheet, line it with some parchment paper or aluminum foil coated with non-stick cooking spray, and pour your protein pancake batter into it. Make sure your batter is level, top it with some mini chocolate chips or anything else you want, and put your soon-to-be protein sheet pancakes into the oven on 425 for around 10 minutes. While those are cooking, I'm gonna show you a quick tip. If you like these quick tips, you'll have to let me know below and I'll put one in every recipe going forward. The tip today, to quickly weigh out your peanut butter, all you have to do is take your kitchen scale, throw it on grams, put your peanut butter on top of it, zero it out with the tare button, and scoop or eat your peanut butter till it says negative however many grams you want. I ate 1 serving today, which would be negative 32 grams. Remove your pancakes after 10 minutes or once a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, and cut them into however many servings you want. So there's another easy way to make some protein pancakes. You can easily mix and match your flavors to change this recipe up. Just make sure the ingredients you're using taste good. I'll throw some of my favorite variations on the website. Before I end this one, I just want to say I hope that the last year wasn't too tough on you all. It's been a crazy ride and I'm more than ready for, hopefully, some more balance this year. With that said, do you have any resolutions this year? What was the hardest part last year for you? Let me know down below. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button before it disappears. Drop any questions you have below. Check out my website, theproteinchef.co, for all your recipe needs. Follow me on socials at The Protein Chef. Stay healthy. And of course, see you guys next year. No, like next week.